Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the Sony earbuds wf-c500s. Okay, while there is no button or basically a shortcut where you can do to completely just reset it from your headphones, but there is a way. There's actually two ways you can do. It's really simple. The first thing is that open the headphones app. And from the headphones app, it is as simple as just clicking on switch to another device, and then clicking on the three dots, and then cancel registration. And then when you re-register it, oh, this is a hard word, re-register it, you're going to basically as if you resetted your headphone settings. That's number one. Number two, what you could do actually is sign in with a different Sony account if you want to completely reset it. So you're going to do what I said, and then when you connect the headphones, you're going to sign in with a completely new Sony account, just so your old settings doesn't get recovered. Okay. And the third thing, those are just the two ways that you can do. There's a third way, which is basically unpair it and repair it, but that's basically it's going to do nothing. But the way I'm telling you is going to work. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.